Yes. Good morning, students. So far, we have done some question based on past adjustments, right? We have done questions based on past adjustments, right? Today, I would be doing one more question based on past adjustment in which balance sheet is given, right? This is question number 68, Pia and Bina. Question number 68. Topic is past adjustments, right? In this question also we will calculate opening capital, right? Working note we make first. Working note we write calculation of opening capitals of partners, right? Calculation of opening capitals of partners, Pia and Bina. This question is different from other questions because in this question balance sheet is given, right? If balance sheet is given, it means that capital are closing because balance sheet is prepared at the end of the year, right? So it means balance sheet is given in the question, it means the capitals are closing capital. So first we calculate opening capital of partners Pia and Bina, right? What is the formula? Capital at the end of year. What is capital of Pia and Bina at the end of the year? 80,000 and 40,000 respectively. 80,000, 40,000, right? Capital at the end of the year. You know we add drawings. We add drawings. Drawings of the partners are 8,000 and 4,000. 88,000, 44,000, right? Less profit. Profit is given in the question 30,000, which is divided among the partners in the ratio 3:2. 18,000, 12,000. 70,000, 32,000. These are the opening capital. Opening capital of partners, right? 32,000 and 70,000. Is it clear? This is how we calculated opening capital, right? Then after that we make statement of adjustment because interest is calculated on this capital. Interest is calculated on this capital. Therefore, interest on capital at the rate 12%. What will be the interest on capital at the rate 12%? Right? What will be the interest at the rate 12%? If you calculate this at the rate 12%, the interest will be 8,400 and 3,840. This is interest on capital. Since interest is always calculated on opening capital, and in this question particularly the capital which is given in the question are closing capital, since balance sheet is given and balance sheet is prepared at the end of the year, right? So first we calculated working note of the opening capital, right? Now we make statement of adjustment. Statement of adjustment. Statement of adjustment. First we make the column of particulars. Then PIA, debit, credit, then BINA, debit, credit, then firm. Debit, credit. Right? Now, in the question, it was written that the profits of rupees 30,000 for the year ended were divided among the partners. Means profit distribution has already been done. Means it is wrongly distributed. Then we have to reverse it. Right? Profits wrongly distributed. Now reversed in the ratio 3:2. You see, profits are wrongly distributed. They have to be reversed in the ratio 3:2. Means profit comes on this side of the capital account, right? It will come here now. 18,000 dash 12,000 dash on the credit side 30,000. Since it was wrong profit, then profit comes in the credit side of partners capital account and debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Since it was wrong, then we have reversed it. It goes to the credit side of the firm column and it goes to the debit side of the PIAs and BINAs capital account. These PIA and BINA column represent capital account of partners. Firm represents P&L appropriation account. Just keep this thing in mind. Right? Now, interest on capital. Interest on capital. At the rate, interest on capital at the rate 12%. At the rate 12% per annum. This will be written at the place where it is supposed to be. 8400 and 3840. 8400 and 3840. This is correct interest on capital. We have omitted this transaction. It must be on the right side, credit side, right? It must be on the credit side. $12,240. 12,240. Right? 12,240. Right? This was the correct interest on capital. It will come on the credit side of partners capital account and the debit side of P&L appropriation account. Right? We have just keep this thing in mind that this represent capital account, this represent P&L appropriation account. Whatever entry you will written on here in the debit side, it will come on the opposite side of the firm. Whatever entry you will write on the credit side of partners column, it will come on the opposite side of the firm. Since P&L appropriation accounts items goes opposite to the capital account. Is it clear? Right? Then there was a salary of PIA 1,000 per month that has gone to 12,000 rupees. Salary 12,000 rupees. This was right transaction. Salary was also omitted of PIA. Right? It comes on the capital account credit side and firm's column debit side 12,000. Right? Now what we do, as usual, we calculate first firm's column. We calculate the balance of firm's column. Right? 30,000. 30,000. From 30,000 you subtract 24,240 you will get 5760, right? 5760. It means because of these omissions and wrong profit, there was a difference in our profit of 5760. This was the mistake which was committed by us. Means because of these mistake, there was a net difference in the profit of 5760, right? And profit divided in ratio 3:2. From the debit side it was 5760. It will come on the credit side of the partners capital account. Credit side on the partners capital account, it comes to 3456. 3456 will come on the credit side. Since profit has come on the debit side, it will distribute among the partners in the credit side. 3456 and 2304. 2304. 2304, right? Right? Is it clear? 3456 2304. Now, as you know, we will make total of these columns. Straight away, 18,000. This is 18,000. Then 2, 3, 8, 5, 6. Then 12,000. Then 5,000. 6,144. I suppose it was 6,100. It is 6,144. 6,144, right? Straight away total of these columns, right? Straight away totals of these columns. Now we write which side is excess, debit side or credit side. We will see to it whether Pia's debit side or credit side is excess, or Bina's debit side or credit side is excess. If you look at this, we will find out, we come to know that on credit side there was an excess of some amount, because it is 23,856, it is 18,000, right? Now we write here 5,856. 5,856 credit. 5,856 credit. Right? Among Bina's column, debit side was 12,000, credit side was 6,144. We subtract each other, we get 5,856 debit. 5,856 debit. Right? 5,856 debit. Difference of these two, right? In this question, it is not mentioned that their capitals are fixed, right? It is not mentioned that their capitals are fixed, right? So what journal entry will you pass for this? I hope this much has to be cleared. I repeat, how we calculated this. We reversed the wrong profit in their respective ratio. Partners capital account, debit side. Profit comes on the credit side, but this was wrong. That's why we reversed it. It was 18,000. It is 18,000 and 12,000. And the credit side of firm column, that is 30,000. Interest on capital was omitted. It was calculated on the opening capital. So first we have calculated opening capital. Then we come to know about the interest on capital amount. That was 8,400 and 3,840. That comes on the credit side. We reverse it. It comes again on the debit side of the partners P&L appropriation account and partners capital account. Then salary was also omitted of PIA, which was given 1,000 per month, means 12,000 in a year. Salary comes on the credit side of partners capital account and debit side of the P&L appropriation account, that is 12,000. First we calculated this 30,000, same on ledger concept. 30,000 subtract 24,240, we get 5,760. It means we were getting a difference of 5,760 in our profit because of these omissions and wrong entries. Then we divided this debit column side 5760 in their profit sharing ratio on the credit side. We totaled all the columns in a usual way. Then we have written which side is excess, whether debit side or credit side. Which side is excess, we have written it, and we come to know that 5856 was the excess amount which was debited and credited. Right? Now we pass the journal entry. By looking at this, we pass the journal entry for the same. What journal entry will we pass? What journal entry will we pass? We will pass a journal entry which is Bina's capital account debit to Pia capital account 5856. This is a format of your journal. Debit, credit, rupees, and we write here narration, that is being adjusting entry past. Here was a column of date. You need not to write any date in this, and that is particulars, and that is the format of your journal. Right? Being adjusting entry past. This was the adjusting entry which we have to do in this particular question in which balance sheet is given. So I hope you can do other questions based on these past adjustments. I have covered many questions in which wrong interest was there, interest on drawing was omitted, wrong profit was credited, questions based on opening capital, and question based on balance sheet. So today we have finished the topic, that is past adjustments. Right? Thank you.